Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can earn USDT in Binance. So the first step that you have to do is locate the Earn section. So from the main Binance homepage, look for the Central Services area where the tiles icons are. So tap on the More button to see all available services. So just a tip that you have to ensure that your USDT is in your spot wallet before starting this process. Next is to select Simple Earn. So after tapping More, scroll down to the Earn section and select Simple Earn, just like this one on the screen. So this is the easiest and lowest risk way to earn passive interest on your stablecoins. Next is to find USDT products. So use the search bar and type USDT. So you will see the two main options, which is flexible. So this one is recommended for instant access, and locked. So this is a higher APY, but funds are locked. So just tap on subscribed and then next to the option you prefer. Now next is to confirm subscription. So from here, enter the amount of USDT that you wish to subscribe. So for flexible, you confirm the subscription and your funds start earning immediately with daily interest paid directly to your wallet. So you just have to tap on confirm from here. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!